Hello everyone, welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to put an app on desktop in Windows 10, so you can access your favorite items faster and more easily. Step 1. Right-click on the desktop, which is the main screen you see after starting Windows, and this opens a quick menu with display and personalization options that control how your desktop looks and works. Step 2. Click on Personalize, which takes you to the Windows settings area where you can customize themes, backgrounds, and icons to match your preferences. Step 3. Click on Themes, which is the section that manages visual elements like colors, sounds, and default desktop icons, making it important for adding system apps to the desktop. Step 4. Scroll down and click on Desktop Icon Settings, a special option that lets you choose which built-in Windows icons appear directly on your desktop for quick access. Step 5. Check the icon you want to add, such as Computer, which is useful because it gives you instant access to your drives, files, and system information. Step 6. Click OK to confirm your changes, and once you do this, the selected icon will immediately appear on your desktop. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tutorials.